when the shopping is done. David, are you ready to start shopping? This store is huge today.
Yes, I'm ready. I brought the shopping list. Let me read it. We need apples, rice, pasta, milk, coffee, eggs, and something for dinner.
Good list. Let's start with the produce section. It's usually quieter in the morning.
Right. I see the apples already. Do you want green apples or red ones?
I usually prefer green ones because they're a bit sour.
Okay, let me check. These look fresh. Should we take 4?
4 is fine. Not too many, not too few.
What's next on the list?
Rice. But I don't remember which brand you like.
I usually buy long grain rice. It cooks faster and tastes lighter.
Then let's grab this one. Do you want the small bag or the medium one?
Let's take the medium. It lasts longer.
All right. What about pasta?
There are so many types. Spaghetti, penne, fusilli.
Let's get spaghetti. It's easy to cook if we are tired.
Good idea.
Should we also get some sauce?
Sure. Tomato sauce or mushroom sauce?
Tomato. It goes well with everything.
All right, tomato it is. Now we need milk.
The dairy section is on the left. Let's go.
Do you want whole milk or low fat?
Low fat, please. I'm trying to eat healthier this week.
Great. Here's one. The expiration date looks good.
Next, coffee.
Oh yes, I can't survive the morning without it.
Do you want ground coffee or instant?
Ground. The smell is better.
Perfect. Let's choose one that's not too strong.
And we still need eggs.
I see them. Do you want a 6-pack or a dozen?
Let's take a dozen. Eggs are useful for everything.
So, what about dinner?
Maybe chicken? We can roast it or cook it with vegetables.
Sounds good. Let's pick a small pack.
All right, I think we have everything.
Yes. Let's go to the checkout.
This restaurant feels so cozy tonight. I really like the warm lights and the soft music. It makes the whole place feel comfortable.
Yes, it's a nice atmosphere. I like how calm it is here. Not too loud, not too crowded. It's a good place to relax after a long day.
Exactly. I was so tired today. Work was crazy. I'm glad we came here. I needed a break.
Same here. My whole day was full of emails, calls, and meetings. I feel like I didn't even have time to breathe.
You need a vacation, David.
I know, but for now, dinner with you is already a little vacation.
That's sweet. So, what do you feel like eating tonight? I already looked at the menu, but I haven't decided yet.
I'm not sure either. The menu's huge. They have pasta, salads, sandwiches, grilled dishes, everything.
Yeah, I noticed. I always get stressed when there are too many choices. I'm afraid I'll pick the wrong thing.
There is no wrong thing. You always choose something good.
Not always. Remember that time I ordered spicy noodles and almost cried?
Oh, yes, I remember. You drink like 3 glasses of water.
It was the hottest thing I ever ate. I couldn't taste anything for the rest of the day.
So maybe tonight, avoid the extra spicy section.
Definitely. I'm going for something soft and normal. Maybe pasta.
Pasta sounds good. I'm thinking about pasta too. Maybe spaghetti with vegetables or chicken.
I love spaghetti. But I also saw a mushroom pasta. Creamy, warm, delicious.
That sounds like something you would enjoy. You love mushrooms.
Yes, I do. Especially when they're cooked in cream sauce. It's perfect comfort food.
Okay, so we have one possible choice for you, but do you want to try something new? You always say you want to experiment.
I know, but every time I want to experiment, I end up choosing something safe anyway.
That's true, but safe choices are good too.
What about drinks? Do you want something warm or cold?
Maybe a lemon tea. My throat is a little tired.
Good idea. I think I'll take mint tea. Something fresh.
Tea is a perfect match for dinner on a cold evening like this.
Yes. Today is really cold outside. When I walked here, the wind was so strong, it felt like winter.
Winter is coming early this year, but I don't mind. I like cold weather.
I don't. I always feel cold. I think I'm built for summer.
Then let's go somewhere warm one day, like Spain or Italy.
Oh, that would be amazing. Imagine sitting on a sunny terrace, eating pasta or pizza.
And drinking iced coffee or orange juice.
Yes, and not wearing a jacket. That would be perfect.
One day we'll go. But for now, this restaurant will be our Italy for today.
Good idea. So tell me about your day. What was the hardest part?
Honestly, the morning meeting. It was supposed to be 30 minutes, but it lasted 2 hours.
Oh no. What did they discuss for 2 hours?
Everything and nothing at the same time. A lot of talking, but no decisions.
Classic office meeting.
Yes. And after that, 5 people wrote me with urgent tasks. I finished them all, but I'm exhausted.
You deserve a big dinner tonight.
And dessert.
Definitely dessert. Maybe we can share one.
Sure. What do you want? Cake? Ice cream? Pie?
Maybe cake. Something with chocolate.
Chocolate cake is always a good idea. You know, this place really reminds me of a small restaurant I used to go to when I lived in another city.
Really? What was it like?
It was small, but very friendly. The owner knew every customer by name. I went there almost every week.
That sounds lovely. I like places that feel personal.
Yes, it wasn't fancy, but the food was amazing, and the atmosphere felt like home.
This place feels a little like that too. Not too formal, just simple and nice.
Exactly. And I love the little candles on the tables.
Yes, they add a nice touch. Dim light makes everything feel warm.
Even the menu looks nice. The pictures are so good that I want to order everything.
Same, but we must choose. If we order everything, we won't be able to walk tomorrow.
And we won't fit through the restaurant door.
Yes, we will roll out like 2 big balls.
That would be funny.
A little bit funny and a little bit dangerous.
Okay, so pasta for you. What about appetizers?
Maybe garlic bread.
I love garlic bread.
I know. You always finish it before I take my second piece.
I can't help it. Garlic bread is my weakness.
Then we'll order 2 portions next time.
Good idea.
Laura, I'm traveling tomorrow. I booked a hotel, but I'm not sure how to check in correctly in English.
No problem. Let's practice. Imagine we just arrived at the hotel lobby.
Sounds good. I'll be the receptionist. You start.
Okay. Good afternoon. I have a reservation?
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes. David Miller.
Perfect. Then I say, 1 moment, please. Let me check your reservation.
And I answer, sure, take your time.
Excellent. After checking, I say, all right, Mr. Miller, I see your reservation for 3 nights in a standard room.
Then I say, yes, that's correct.
Great. Then the receptionist usually asks for your passport or ID.
Right. Here you go.
Exactly. Very natural. Then they might ask, would you like breakfast included?
And I say, yes, please. What time is breakfast?
Good question. I answer, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Nice. And then payment?
Yes. Will you be paying now or at checkout?
I'll pay now.
Great. Then I give you your key card. Here is your key card. Your room is on the 4th floor, number 412.
And I say, thank you. How do I get to the room?
Yes. Then I say, take the elevator on your right. When you exit, turn left.
Perfect.
Let's continue. Now imagine you're in the room and something is wrong.
Okay.
Call the front desk.
Hello, this is room 412. The air conditioner isn't working.
Good. The receptionist says, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We'll send a technician right away.
Great. And if the Wi-Fi is slow?
Then you say, "Hi, I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi. Could you please help?"
And they answer?
Of course. I'll reset the system. Please try again in a few minutes.
Nice. What if I need extra towels?
Hello, can I have 2 extra towels sent to my room?
Easy.
And they say, "Certainly, housekeeping will bring them to you shortly."
Okay. What about checkout?
Very simple. You go to the front desk and say, "Good morning, I'd like to check out."
And then?
They check your bill and say, "You owe $120 for 3 nights and breakfast."
And I say, all right, here's my card.
Yes. And at the end, you say, "Thank you for your service."
And they say, we hope to see you again.
Exactly.
Wow, this is actually easy.
Yes, hotel English is very predictable.
Thank you for practicing with me.
Anytime.